Where the quiet strength will lead upon, working through the night into the dawn. Ain't hungry mouths you never let down, a humble king without a crown. Sawmill echoes fill your nights, daylight found you in the fields of fight. I played inside, my mother would say, your father's sleeping, he worked all day. I didn't know then what I know now, why you were tired, why you missed out. But love was in your every move, in every sacrifice you proved. It's hard to be a father, but you showed me how. So here I am, a father now, and I salute you with a bow. Bedtime stories, no games we play, but you gave us life in your quiet way. Now I carry the weight you bore with grace. I see your strength every time I shave my face. You gave your dreams, you gave your pride, you gave us hope without a slept through our afternoons. You were building our tomorrows too. I didn't know then what I know now, the cost of love, the silent vows. But now I walk the road you paved, a better man for the love you gave. To all the fathers who's standing tall, I see you, I honor you all. And to my own, your love still calls. I didn't know then what I know now, the weight you bore, the furrowed brow. But now I rise with worn hands, to build with love what life demands. For every child who wonders why, may they learn as years go by. And to my own, I'll never say